So years ago, when I was the chief operating officer at our Lakewood campus, I would look out my window at one of the other hospitals in eastern Jackson County, and I would see all the construction going on and see the cranes moving things around, and they were building new projects, and I knew that was an exciting time for them. Now, not that I had crane envy, but I knew that someday, at some point, Truman would have the same level of construction going on, and that is what is getting ready to happen at Truman. So one of the things that is interesting about building projects at hospital is you're always limited by land, which means that anytime you build something new, something else has to move. Well, that is certainly the case here at Truman. So we have what I call the domino effect. We have to get all the dominoes in place. The first one has to move before the second one can move. The first domino at Truman is moving New Frontiers. New Frontiers is a vocational rehabilitation program for many of our patients suffering with behavioral health diagnosis. Up to this point, New Frontiers has been in the Feliks building, but it is now located in what we call the old school maintenance building, which is north of University Health. So that's the first exciting move, and we'll actually have an open house this month on that. The next step and the next domino to fall is the demolition of the Feliks building. So those of you that have been around the Health Science District campus for a number of years know that that is that big old tired white building that has the chain link fence around it. It's really become an eyesore, so it'll be an exciting day when we take it to the ground, and we'll start on that very, very soon. Once we have the Feliks building to the ground, we won't have green space for very long. We'll actually begin construction of University Health 2. So that's a beautiful new building on the campus of the Health Science District. What we will move into that building after it's completed will be the primary care clinics that are now in the main building at Health Science District, as well as women's care, which is on the 6th floor of the Health Science District main building. Our timeline for moving those clinics is September of 2019. So once we move women's health off of the 6th floor into University Health 2, that clears the way for our new NICU. Many of you know we have a 19-bed NICU. It gives great care. We have wonderful practitioners, wonderful nurses there, but it's really old, tired space. We're going to move that, and we're going to create a new 28-bed NICU, state-of-the-art. We'll actually have room for moms and families to be a part of their child's care while in the NICU. So that's another exciting project. So as we're thinking about a new NICU, we also have to think about what does the mother-baby unit look like on the 6th floor. Well, we have some exciting news. Looks like we're getting new market tax credits, which are our financing tool that is going to help us build that. So we'll entirely renovate the 6th floor, so that new mother-baby unit will be state-of-the-art, great, beautiful rooms for moms, babies, and families. It's been a long time coming, but it's going to be exciting when we can talk about every mom having their own private room. No more semi-private rooms for moms and babies on the 6th floor. So renovation is not limited to the Health Science District campus. We also have a great project in store for the Lakewood campus. That is creating new space for orthopedics. Many of you know we have a very well-renowned, well-respected orthopedics program. People in eastern Jackson County really love orthopedics at Lakewood, but it's just been in really tired space. So we're going to create new space for that. That's going to be on the ground floor right next to the Walgreens, and that'll be about 9,000 square feet. It'll be a beautiful clinic. So construction of the new orthopedic clinic begins in August of 2018, and we'll see completion early 2019. So just a reminder, we opened University Health Community Care Linwood, which is adjacent to the Linwood YMCA. We opened that facility in March of this year, but that's not the only YMCA facility we'll be involved in. The YMCA is planning a new downtown facility, and we absolutely will have a presence in that facility offering many different services. It's a great time to be part of Truman Medical Centers. We're all excited about construction, but more exciting than the actual buildings and seeing things go up is the care that we're going to be able to deliver for our community in those new facilities.